Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this awesome text animation for your intro videos in CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to write the word letter by letter like this. For example, you can use your channel's name or your usernames on TikTok. Just write it letter by letter. So for example, I'm going to just write intro. You can change the style and the font to your liking. I'm going to just use the default style on CapCut. Okay, I'm going to adjust the length like this and just duplicate it until you write the whole word. Okay, I've already write all of the letters like this. So you need to align it like this, intro for example, and after that go to the end of each letter and add keyframes like this. And after that, just go to the beginning of each letter and drag the letter into the center like this. On the second one also, the third one, leave it as it is because it's already on the center. And you can just move it like this, the last one. And you are done. So after that, this will be the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.